So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you.
Hello and welcome to another video of Power BI Masterclass series. In this video, we're gonna working on our DAX measures. In this video, we're gonna find out the sales forecast based on a prior 3 months average, and also we're gonna find out which are the customer who made a transaction within last 30 days. So let's do that. So first of all, let's calculate the sales forecast based on a prior 3 months average. So let's see. Let's first add a data. So I'll add a date here. I'll just want year and month. I'll remove quarter and day. Let's increase this size a little bit. Let's format this. Let's increase the values to 15 and the column headers to 14. Let's make it bold. Now let's add total sales in this. So what it means, what this sales forecast based on a prior 3 months average means what? So what we are doing here, we are predicting this October sales based on a 3 months average before 3 months average. So July, August, and September divided by three. These sales divided by three. That will predicting the October sales. So let's do that. So first, create a measure called sales forecast. Sales forecast equals to first what I want uh, before 3 months average. 3 months before 3 months before sale. So I'll use months three. Use just months three or month three. I'll use calculate function. Calculate what? I'll want the total sales. Total sales. I'll use a time intelligence function in DAX called date add. Date add. Date add. So what it does, it moves the given set of dates by the specified interval. So I'll want a date here. I'll use a date stable date, and an interval section. I'll provide -3 as an interval, and so this is sales forecast based on prior 3 months average. So what I want to return also. So I'll copy this and paste it here, and also paste it here. So I'll rename this to month two, and this to month one, and it should be months one, and it should be months two. So what I'll do, I'll return. So I missed something here. Yeah, I missed here parameter called interval. So I'll use month here, and here also month, also here month. So I'll return what? I'll use a divide function to divide these 3 months total sales by three. So I'll use numerator in the section months three plus months one or months two. Let's see, months two plus months one divided by three. If not found, then alternate result blank. So this is for it. Let's add this measure in this visual. So where it is, we have sales forecast here. So as you can see here, you can see here October, that is predicting 33,000 something, and here November it is predicting 37 something, and you can see here April it is predicting 57. How it is predicting? It is just predicting based on the before 3 months average, that is January, February, March, and divided by three. So this is for the sales forecast based on a prior 3 months average. So now let's go and find out which are the customer who made a transaction in last 30 days. So first I want customer, where we have customer in an orders table. So I'll use a customer company where I have customer. So I'll just format this, format painter, use it format painter and paste it here. So now, now let's create a measure. Let's create a measure called customer, customer transaction last. You can give whichever name that you like. So I'll use calculate, calculate what? Calculate what? The number of orders. That is, I'll use count rows in orders table. So I'll got first the number of orders, then filters these orders using the filter table. The table is dates table, and in the filter expression, I'll provide this dates table date that should be less than or equals to the max of order date, max of order date. Yes, max of order date means it is the most recent date. If you use minimum of mean of order date, then it return the oldest date in our dataset. So max of order date and date stable date should be greater than max of yes greater than max of order date minus 30 days. Yes, 30 days. So I'll hit enter. So what we are done here, we first calculated the total number of transactions. So count rows of order table, return the transactions, total transaction by filtering the dates table. That date table date should be less than most recent date, less than or equals to most recent date, or and dates table date that should be greater than most recent date minus 30 days. That will return last 30 days transaction. You can calculate last 40 days, 50 days, 15 days, 2 days, as you want. I'll hit enter. Now let's add this measure to our visual. I'll first select this visual and add here customer transaction last 30 days. Yeah. So as you can see, we have Alfred Futterkiste who made a 4 times transaction, and that's all. And that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.